Welcome to Nick Tech Tips, and today I'll be showing you how to insert a GPU into your computer. First, turn the switch off above your power cord, then remove your power cord. Then remove all other cables connected to your computer. Then, remove the 4 screws at the back of your computer. Turn your computer on the back so you can see the cables as seen in the picture. Now you're going to have to find the 6-pin PCIe Express connector as seen in the picture here. When you've found that connector, thread it through one of the cable management holes that you may find in your computer. Now turn over your computer and pull it all the way out. So now put aside the cable you just pulled through, and on the left there'll be some metal covers covering up the slots. These might already be screwed in, so you'll have to unscrew them, or they could just be attached by a thin piece of metal that you'll have to just flex off by pulling back and forth. When you have removed the slot covers, insert your GPU and make sure that your GPU pins, as seen in the picture, lines up to the port. Then make sure that your GPU has lined up with the screw holes that are needed. Now push down your graphics card until there is no more pins showing at the bottom of the graphics card. Now find the screws that are used to screw in the graphics card. These are different from case to case, so refer to the manual that came with your case. Now screw in your graphics card, and if your graphics card takes up 2 slots, you'll have to put in 2 screws. Now get the cord you pulled through before and put it into your graphics card. Now that your graphics card has been installed, replace your 2 side panels that we took off earlier. Now plug back in your power cord and turn the power switch back on. Then plug in all your other cables. Now make sure that when you plug in your display connector, that you don't plug it into the motherboard connector, but you plug it into the graphics card connector. Thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned as we have a new how to install a CPU coming out soon.